Hi guys, welcome to another video. I have some extra cash that I had left over in my wallet, and I decided I wanted to stuff it in my family binder instead of spending it. So this is my family binder. This is for all family needs. So like my mom has an envelope, my boyfriend has an envelope, my dog Harley, my dog Riker, planning a wedding, home, future baby, trips, Tesla. I need to get new budget sheets, but tuition, you know, all kinds of family stuff. I'm gonna budget my extra money for this binder. So I have a lot of ones, so it's not gonna be huge amounts. I think, let's count it. There's 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, $35 here. So it's not a huge amount, but I don't like carrying around cash that's not allocated in my wallet. So let's put this somewhere. So starting off with my mom's envelope, she is going to get $6. So she gets a 5 and a 1. And this envelope is just basically to buy her stuff throughout the year for like birthdays, Christmas, whatever, Mother's Day. Instead of having all the money in one envelope, I just have an envelope for her. Same thing with my boyfriend. My boyfriend has his own envelope. I buy him stuff all the time, so he gets $6 as well. Harley is my doggie. She has allergy problems, and so she's on medicine, but Harley gets $3. She's a little Yorkie. Sweetest little thing ever. $3 for Harley. And then Riker is my other puppy dog. He's a little Yorkie as well, and he gets $3. He's spoiled rotten. They both are. Okay, wedding is going to get, this is already open. Wedding is going to get $5. Nothing's really planned yet, but that's definitely in the future. Home, I need new trackers. I don't know why I didn't take those out because they're in December, but home is gonna get $3. Okay, now baby's gonna get 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Baby gets 6. Trips, I'm not gonna find because I'm not going anywhere right now. Tesla, I'm gonna put $3, our last 3 in, and I'm not gonna fund tuition. So Tesla gets 3. it for this binder. Thank you for watching. If you like cash stuffing videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.